this litre. Yeah. So there you go, that's the kettle on it. Now, while I'm waiting for all of this to boil up, just have a quick chat about that bike. Take a look at it. To me, that bike is absolutely stunning. In a bit of a mess. I haven't done a lot with it. Probably won't. I'll wait for it to break. Keep it properly maintained. But other than that, I'll not really improve on it. Kind of got ideas for it. I look at that bike and I just think, Jesus Christ, that looks brilliant. And I can't find any other modern bikes that I like the look of. I mean, I just look at that and I want it. But modern bikes, too minimalist for me is probably the way I describe it. I mean, just look at that full fairing on it. Look at the complete styling. Other people have said it's kind of ugly or not the most pretty bike in the world, but I think it is actually the most pretty bike in the world. And I don't want to swap it for that reason. The other reason, modern sports tourers, they will let you do panniers or top box, but not both. And of course, I put panniers and a top box in that, don't I? And then I put a Lomo bag on it, and then I got the Oxford tank bag on it, and then I get sat on the great big fat lump that I am. And it copes with all of it. So, it looks good. The engine will probably run forever. It rides good. It carries everything I want it to carry. And I don't think there's another bike anywhere else that I can buy that looks anything like it, like it's good. So, I'm unlikely to swap it. Only two reasons why I would swap it. It might break. Yeah. It might completely and utterly break. Beyond repair. If it does that, I'll have to swap it and get something else, but I'd be more inclined to look for a 2005 version of exactly the same bike.